Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about why you might be having trouble getting your money out of Gemini. Gemini is a cryptocurrency exchange that allows you to buy, sell, and trade cryptocurrencies. It's a popular platform, but there have been some recent reports of users having difficulty withdrawing their funds. In this video, I'm going to discuss some of the possible reasons why you might be having trouble withdrawing your money from Gemini. I'll also provide some tips on what you can do to try to get your money back. Reason 1. Gemini is experiencing technical difficulties. One possible reason why you might be having trouble withdrawing your money from Gemini is that the platform is experiencing technical difficulties. This could be due to a number of factors, such as a surge in traffic or a software glitch. If Gemini is experiencing technical difficulties, you may need to wait until the issue is resolved before you can withdraw your money. You can check Gemini's website or social media channels for updates on any ongoing technical issues. Reason 2. Gemini is under investigation by regulators. Another possible reason why you might be having trouble withdrawing your money from Gemini is that the platform is under investigation by regulators. This could be due to allegations of fraud or other misconduct. If Gemini is under investigation by regulators, it may be difficult or impossible to withdraw your money until the investigation is complete. In some cases, regulators may even freeze Gemini's assets, which would prevent you from withdrawing your money at all. Reason 3. You have violated Gemini's terms of service. Another possible reason why you might be having trouble withdrawing your money from Gemini is that you have violated the platform's terms of service. This could include things like engaging in fraudulent activity, money laundering, or violating anti-money laundering laws. If you have violated Gemini's terms of service, your account may be suspended or terminated. This will prevent you from withdrawing your money until the issue is resolved. Reason 4. You have not completed the KYC process. Another possible reason why you might be having trouble withdrawing your money from Gemini is that you have not completed the Know Your Customer KYC process. This process is designed to verify your identity and prevent fraud. If you have not completed the KYC process, you will not be able to withdraw your money from Gemini. You will need to provide Gemini with the required documentation in order to complete the process. Reason 5. You are trying to withdraw too much money at once. Another possible reason why you might be having trouble withdrawing your money from Gemini is that you are trying to withdraw too much money at once. Gemini may have limits on the amount of money that you can withdraw in a single transaction. If you are trying to withdraw too much money at once, you may need to split your withdrawal into multiple transactions. Tips for getting your money out of Gemini. If you are having trouble withdrawing your money from Gemini, here are a few tips that you can try. Contact Gemini customer support. Gemini has a customer support team that can help you troubleshoot any issues that you are having. You can contact Gemini customer support by email, phone, or chat. Check Gemini's website or social media channels for updates on any ongoing technical issues. If Gemini is experiencing technical difficulties, you may need to wait until the issue is resolved before you can withdraw your money. File a complaint with the appropriate regulatory authority. If you believe that Gemini is acting unfairly or illegally, you can file a complaint with the appropriate regulatory authority. Seek legal counsel. If you are having trouble getting your money out of Gemini, you may want to seek legal counsel. A lawyer can help you understand your rights and options. Conclusion. If you are having trouble withdrawing your money from Gemini, it is important to be patient and persistent. There are a number of possible reasons why you might be having trouble, but there are also a number of things that you can do to try to get your money back. I hope this video has been helpful. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment below. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.